Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren, and today I'm unboxing something I got from Nordstrom. Here's the shipping container, and I was actually kind of surprised it came from Woodfield. I live by Woodfield Mall, so I was not expecting that. And I only realized that right before I started the video when I taped over my address and stuff like that. So okay, there might be an invoice in there. Let's see what it is. Oh no, it's just like a free returns thing. Okay, so what I have is Aventus Soap. Here it is. Creed perfumed soap, Aventus. It's the top. And the bottom. Side, the back. And the other side, textured box. It really smells. I mean, it smelled through the box, like the shipping box. This box is quality, like high quality, like the perfume boxes. Creed made in France. There's the logo, or like the plume. Creed. Wow, it actually smells really good. At first I didn't like it. When you put it right up to your nose, it smells really good. Oh wow, it's really soft too. I know it's weird to say about soap, but just something I noticed. Oh wow, it smells so good. It's really thick too. I mean, you can see here. It's like an average size bar soap. So you guys, I hope you liked this unboxing of Creed Aventus soap, and I hope to see you on the next one.